Welcome to 4 Minute Book Review. Today I'm going to review one of my friend's poetry collection which he has recently released. It's called Musings of a Maverick Poet, and I loved how many topics he touched upon. And poems are very abstract. It's not in a format of a general poems which are rhymed, but I assure you the vocabulary is really good with this poems, and it ranges from a lot of topics, right from people to emotions to feelings and all these topics, and it actually reflects the poet's perspective on things and all these various topics which he has written as poems. So let me read few poems. I will read one of my favorite for the first, because we are talking about books, so let me read about books first, which is written. So it's titled the book, The Greatest Invention Ever Made by Mankind, Without Which Human Race Would Have Left Behind. It educates your heart and makes you rational. The joy of knowledge it gives, the bliss of which is eternal. Make sure you read every day, enjoying the smell of the book and the gentle turn of a page. So this is his poem on the book, and the next one, which I feel a lot of people can connect with, is career frustration. So he imagined it very well, like he imagines it as a genie coming into his dream and asking for what is wrong with you. So I'm just reading it. I was in a dream, and a genie appeared. I felt like I should scream, and he soon disappeared. Then he came another night. My heart was full of fright. He did come in my dream again, but he was in great pain. This time I did not scream. Rather, I asked him, "What is the matter?" He did not reply to me. That was actually my soul's chatter. I realized where I have gone wrong, to heed to my life's calling, like a fallen angel carelessly strolling. So this is on his career frustration, and one of my favorite poems, like my favorite, which I felt like was his best work, which I feel. So I'm just reading it for y'all. This is a poem for sisters, for my sisters. This is written a poem for my sisters. Hey sister, I'm lucky that you are in my life. Though far away, I feel your sisterly vibes. I shall always be there for you as a brother. In you sometimes I find my mother. A smile on your face gives me joy. You bring in pain and makes me cry. May you live happily forever. After all, you are my soul sister, and you and I is your God sent brother. So this poem is really my favorite. Sorry for the couple of blunders, but seems to be fine. I'll leave this poem. Possibly you can read this more precisely when you read it in the book. So hopefully you, if you're really interested in poetry and abstract poetry. So before that, before we close in on this video, let me talk about what I felt about this book and where it could have been better. So first thing is the vocabulary is really good for this poems, because I generally do not have a keen eye for these poems, but I really feel abstract poetry is something where everyone can read. Um, but there is certain rhythm maintained through the poems, and all the poems in fact, and it's also about how many topics he touches up in this little book of 120 to 130 pages. Is really interesting, and might be you'll finish it in, and probably it took me a minute for each poem. So, and there are right from 2 lines poems to around 16, 17 lines, so it's around various poems and various lengths. So I hope this is one of the best thing where about this poem or the poetry collection, which is the musings of a maverick um, poet. So this is one of the thing I liked about, and also about vocabulary is something you just not, it has to fit in the lines, and that's what I feel, and that's what is good about this. It's just because okay, I have to add vocabulary, it's not there like that, but there is a circumstance which why a particular word is used or particular word is used. That's how vocabulary is, and you can't just just miss it out and say, yes, this is the word I want to use and I'll use it in the poetry, which is not very premeditated, which I like. And one thing where it could have been better is after certain pages, there are topics. For example, he has written on corona and three poems on corona. It is not in order, like it's again after 88 pages. Is basically author saying like I have lot of uh, you know, perspective about corona, and he's written two three poems, so slightly it might be repetitive for few readers who are into poetry. So other than that, I think it's a brilliant start for people who want to, you know, get into or put their feet into abstract poetry. I think this is one of um a poetry book, and I do not have a keen eye. I'm just saying this review as a layman, and I don't get anything for this, and it's not a promoted video, and so it's just that I am giving my review. So I hope you pick it up, and people who are really interested in abstract poetry, then this should be the beginning for them. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you have anything, please comment below, and I'll leave the book link where you can buy it. So hopefully it will help people and, you know, get into abstract poetry and more such writers come in. So thank you for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe. And next video coming up is on one of the Telugu books I'm going to review. So wait for it, and next week it's coming in. And also I've read another English book by one of the favorite people's favorite author, which is Gabriel Marquez. So let's see, that is going to coming up. So either of this will be posted next week. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching again. Thank you.